Every morning, before the sun paints the sky with light, a silent war begins inside you. It's not between you and the world. It's between the version of you that wants to stay the same and the version that's ready to rise. This isn't just a motivational message. This is a call to your soul. Because life won't wait. Every second you hesitate, your potential slips through your fingers. So ask yourself, will you let the day pass you by, or will you rise and make it yours?
You're not here by accident. You're here to wake up. Not just out of sleep, but out of mediocrity. What's coming is not comfort, it's clarity. It's the ancient wisdom that built empires, conquered fear, and shaped legends. The Stoic mindset. If you embrace it, it will shake you, break you, and then rebuild you into something unstoppable.
Let's begin. The power of presence. Own your moment.
Most people exist. Few truly live. They move, they talk, but their minds are shackled to regrets or chained to anxiety. They scroll through lives they wish they had and forget the one they're living. But here's the truth. Everything you are, everything you can become, begins in one place. Now.
Marcus Aurelius said it best. Confine yourself to the present.
The past, it's already written. The future, a blank page. But the present, that's your pen, your power. Every time you relive a mistake or dread what's to come, you're giving away your only real power. So stop, breathe, look around. You're not a ghost drifting through time. You're alive. And that is everything. You don't need more hours. You need more presence. Taste your food. Listen when someone speaks. Watch how the wind moves the trees. Live with your eyes open and your soul alert. Because when you live this way, your life becomes art, and your days become moments worth remembering. The Stoics faced death, exile, war, and still they cherished each moment. If you want to live at your best, master the moment. The rest will follow. Discipline over motivation. Master yourself. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire. If you wait to feel like it, you'll be waiting forever. But if you build a habit of showing up, especially when you don't want to, that's when the transformation begins.
Epictetus once said,
No man is free who is not master of himself.
That version of you dream about, it's not a fantasy. It's a result, built in silence, forged in daily decisions no one sees. It's born every time you rise when you'd rather rest, when you act even when fear whispers. Every choice to move forward becomes a vote for your future self. And let's be real, greatness isn't sexy. It's not flashy. It's not applause and fame. It's sweat, repetition, small victories stacked like bricks. Show up when no one's clapping. Push forward when it's hard. People might be impressed by talent, but they're changed by consistency.
Be the person who follows through, not because it's easy, because it's who you are. The world doesn't reward intention, it rewards action. You don't need to feel powerful to be powerful. You just need to move.
Discipline is the difference between dreaming and becoming. So choose it now.
Control what you can. Let go of what you can't.
Imagine the peace that would flood your soul if you let go of everything outside your control. The Stoics weren't numb. They were focused. They knew suffering doesn't come from events, but from our resistance to them. Most of your stress, self-created. Most of your pain, prolonged by clinging. When life hits you, you have two choices: collapse or respond. Lose a job, a person, a dream? Let it shape you, not shatter you. You are not what happens to you. You are how you rise from it.
You don't control people's opinions. You control your reaction. You don't control traffic, the weather, or chance. But you control your words, your actions, your focus. That's your realm. Protect it.
This isn't weakness. It's warrior wisdom. It's how you conserve energy for the battles that matter. Every time you let go of the uncontrollable, you sharpen your edge. You rise above. And that's where your power lives. So breathe, accept, act where you can, release where you can't, and walk with calm strength through the chaos. The mind is a garden. Feed it wisely. What are you planting in your mind today? Fear, doubt, gossip, or truth, strength, stillness? Your thoughts are seeds. Your focus is sunlight, and your actions are water. Be careful what you grow. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." The prison isn't outside, it's inside. The overthinking, the spirals, the lies you whisper to yourself about not being enough, they're not truth, they're weeds. Pull them out. Every day, choose what you feed your mind. Choose wisdom over noise, books over scrolling, silence over drama. Ask questions, reflect. Let your mind breathe, because when your mind is still, your life gains direction. And in that silence, you'll find clarity, strength, peace. Guard your inner world like it's sacred, because it is. Do one thing greatly, quality over quantity. Busyness is not productivity. Noise is not purpose. The Stoics believed in focus, not frenzy. In doing one thing well, instead of everything halfway. Marcus Aurelius reminded us, if it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Let that guide your day. Stop trying to impress. Start trying to impact. Pick one task, pull your soul into it. Not with pressure, but with presence. Mastery comes not from speed, but from depth. Do less, with more heart. Be the person whose work speaks without needing to shout. Your excellence won't go unnoticed. It never does. End each day with peace. Live full, sleep empty. When the night arrives and the world slows down, ask yourself, did I show up? Did I speak truth? Did I move forward? If the answer is yes, even slightly, rest. Not with regret, but with peace. Life isn't about being perfect. It's about being real, present, purposeful. It's about choosing meaning over mindless motion. The Stoics didn't numb themselves. They trained their minds. They didn't deny emotion. They mastered response. They lived with their eyes wide open, even when the world hurt. So today, as the sun sets on your story, make a decision. Don't let this be just another video you watch and forget. Let it be the mirror that shows you your fire. Let it be the voice that reminds you you're capable of more. So, rise. Take the day. Be present. Be disciplined. Be powerful. Be real. And above all, be your best. Not once in a while, but every single day. If this lit a fire inside you, don't let it burn out. Rewatch, reflect, share it with someone who needs this. And if you crave more truth, more fire, more soul-level clarity, stay with us. This is only the beginning.